abusia ma me church obi ana me bisa so obi an te se na me gidi so ba de na daroma obi aho ye mo somfo na na Jamfi faculty me cha do fa kahwefo cha Ghana fo nyina na ya kase nyame oko obi ano turu kwana no nyi obi akese abusia fo ye call straight because amre ni afa em say another 3 days as a 4 days ya sha tell me hu say video bi circulate around video no obi obehwe bibi o say eh obi obehwe bibi o say asem nwa ba ni enti we koso wo Ghana it means say MPP for no me amamboy for ya wudi for MPP for ya kunkum nipa for kunipa enti mi ahwe video no bi na ma hwe video na me bisa NDC grassroots say sa video ya mo share no all platforms so no mo share no social media no mo NDC grassroots mi bisa mo say mo panifo no kwa na are they interested in that video na video na NDC for mo share no grassroots no mo share no NDC freedom fighters association NDC group it is NDC youth no o go NDC pe NDC no omo share videos no enra me na Jamfi faculty nipa be 17 and a share video no ma me say na Jamfi to hwe na ka video we go asem ana me pese me bisa obi bia say because nipa 17 me timi frefre obi atime kan general na ma bisa obi bia say ma mo send video no ma me na me ntwa ho video na ya ka ho asem no me bisa say ye mpani for NDC mpani for ye bra John Dramani Mahama ye papa Mahama Ayarga Chief Justice ye Rabafu Boni any Attorney General are they ready o me ready say sa video no o me work on it o me take any actions o me investigations was one question e what ye bisa no because video na circulate no ye video no na tie video no nsem a otumutemu emu pu ana me na Jamfi faculty me kan kasa video no asem da emra openyi kese no to form say team emra ewia gede bia te say openyi kese no odaya wa nsore oye mra ya te say Rich Hospital penyi kese na you me call one of the radio station na team time omo interview no asema me kan yare say sa papa we ya to form say team na say ye hunu wo Ghana asasusu biem dia MPP for nsa wom MPP for ne ku no MPP for ana poison no MPP for na shampophobia say ono ma di papa na wu obi antimi asakande me obi an support me ebi me kwa ba be ka kira me say sama me ka no we evidence na se say evidence na ba be da dia mo de send no ebi ka na Jamfi asem bia o kan so tare go robo ni o because ade na si panyi kasia pa ofiri amanyuko ma ba be kasa na ba be kasa na asem be na panyi ne ka mo me yanko tie ensama panyi ne ka ya videos na mo de send me no mo me yanko ne ko tie ba dia to aso no na Jamfi faculty me so me fa kama me so me kama agene ama Ghana fo nyina ate me ko video no bra
Michael Susudis, may he rest in peace, that 5 nurses who were looking after Jerry John Rawlings at Kolebu, the moment he passed on, they all disappeared. They were taken out of the country.
And I got quite intrigued when I read that.
I'm coming. Let me line them up so I don't get confused. The nurses disappeared. If the nurses are around, they should come forward. Fifth, there were 2 military officers. I know them personally. They know me too, as I've stated in the book.
The captains?
But 2 captains. But for a lot of reasons, I'm holding the name for the meantime. Because I've asked government to set up an independent commission of inquiry to find out what really killed Rawlings. The captains met just after his death. And they shook hands and said, mission accomplished. That means a lot. It's a military balance. That means a lot. Have they come out?
What has been the response? Yes. What has been the response from the government regarding your request for an independent inquiry?
There have been no response so far. And I'm sure they are what this book was reviewed on televisions. You follow me?
Okay.
Now, the only thing I'll say was that I have had few calls from some prominent people in this country thanking me for having had the courage to come out with that. But Rawlings, to me, didn't die through COVID. He didn't die through COVID. Who planned and have Rawlings eliminated one day will come out.
Is it just because?
Because if it is not a planned thing, you ask yourself, why should I be connected with you? Because if people got to know earlier that I was part of it, they might probably calm their tempers down. That is the whole thing.
And Chabucha, when you video where the money am but now me person me kaikalization me kaimo e ma mu say video we what time na me cantina me ka tell me akofia kakra mbra no na abusua yewura Dr. Nyahu Tamakuro one of the founding members of MPP and our babonte no ka say e ya papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace ewu ya pe and a captains mienu a soldier for akukuda mienu e babonte ka say our mission or they not much nyina they have accomplished it. They not much nyina mo saka. They not person a year adwuma nyina a year adwuma simply because flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace na no mo twete obewu omo yeso me kuno pam omo fa all tactics omo mo lutuo ni akase aborutuo but omo fa other strategies and other tactics no mo dey kuya papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace obi e wase anso ha na ye wa nurse for mako 5 sa nurse for we na hwe yan papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace e wo hospital ye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace wu ya pa ana sa nurse for enu we nyina ye fly o nyina do ko amanone to date sa nurse for nyina owu bia no Ghana ye betime nyo ma investigate o. It tells you say ye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace was present. He was killed by MPP government. Now NDC for Yebra Bafubani, Yebra Chief Attorney General, Yebra John Dramani Mahama, Omi Natio, Omon can wasem. But Yebra John Dramani Mahama, really, she said, and Ratamos Wuyano, MPP 40 minutes say, Yebra John Dramani Mahama, and Mian Kong Ekuno. Meanwhile, Yebra Atamos Wuyana, John Dramani Mahama, I will meet you and say, when your papa John Dramani Mahama and Pennyformy Flaman on nearby, no, when you have John Dramani Mahama, I will meet you and say, John Dramani Mahama, I will meet you and say, catch and said, you were at Amos Yadden Maya day, I'm a Nako 37 military hospital, you call him, Papa Anthony and Mankom, what one and animal and Seado. And so MPP 40 me, I had a target, you were John Dramani Mahama said, when the Quat Amos. Nothing, you're a founding member from MPP. At me about one time about say MPP for answer wom because omuma announce for mako 5 to be and the try ye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace for a poison kuro ti MPP for the kuro initially me ba catch them say ye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace so the one no wasi akobo akofo adomo no so wan hwe ye o me o ya ka bom ya do mu Wallace no na akofo adomo sa na na yere ni akofo adomo sa me say papa abonsanfo awudifo amamboyfo omko party nkrofo omko amona wo akofo ado de bia wodwe no retrim say wona wodiku uye ku ti ana papa akofo ado de ka na babi say wono de wonyawa ofa wonche wono o metutuo na nyina so no so poku that opinion be say we have so many ways of killing a cat and then they took that so many ways of killing a cat no e bi nyaa nti anase 45 no where I dey a soldier for captains mienu na ombeka say they have what do you call it, they have accomplished what they need, you know. So soldier for mienu no where are they? But your papa John Dramani Mahama or your sofo ya shano sofo into a bishop into bibia afama nyame ya dey tarnish the image of NDC na the good NDC animo ase. Me why you say nkofo we omu dream katashe na John Kuma kwa ya man president na no mawu and skumi ya man president we biewu na wo opposition wa wo be no me kai pa say da ya be John ade be chama ya be John Dramani Mahama asi akonya so okosra akofo ado e wo office MPP for bi ba bonte be kan say papa John Dramani Mahama akwa akofo ado wa fa unsi okofo wa bian for bi akọ ya ma wa duane amani ya ti kromo ha ana ya papa Abam Bagben speaker of parliament ne car a ye de man no ya poison car ni mu nyina je papa ne tika ni mu nyina no na he was dying slowly until say wo kwa mo na ni ko treatment ya se hwe car na MPP vo dia man na wotimu no car na ma poison car na wotimu no nti say nka wo chia wo Ghana ya hwa be nka sa mre no wo so watu anana no wansie do nti say ankrofo wo ye na omutimi tena oman mu mane ye yie na ankrofo wo yatimi achi ya papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Wallace no makuro NDC for evidence about bonten ya papa doctor nyawu tamakuru kan sem we nyina de bibia ba bonten but when they take action no you raba for money actions be na wo take attorney general you raba Dominic Ayinde actions be na wo take bibia ba na yaka no ho ni eja to yaka no ho ni eja to enti NDC grassroots no me dem e kan kira mo say sa asem no dem fa to ba bi na munyi mani kra because the body for an action be no me take but wo ana ka ko ka ansem we ana ka ko ye bibia nka sa me yoka be fa nka bi ya na ya be fa but e ye bra nyawo tamakuru ba be kan de oh ya fa ne now ma oh ebi kura so wanyini andropos ana de ande wonimu ne ya wokeka ne ya kan sa ne ya ja no me wa what the man is saying no e true ko ye bra nyawo tamakuru wa ben na adwene mu go enti actions and take here ne ya say NDT for no truly munye serious aha e Jofak Media subscribe like na share na afoforo enya bi hwɛ mo somfo na Gyamfi faculty abusua makramo.
Welcome to Jofak Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news, truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top. With facts we confirm, no chance we flop. Headlines, analysis, real interviews. We dig deep, we don't just break the news. Authentic, bold, we pass the test. Jofak Media.